In this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog slicker brush that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Christensen 35mm Oval Pin Dog Brush. A pin-style brush is a reliable go-to that the majority of dog parents should have on hand. The Christensen Original Series Oval Brush has stainless steel pins with polished tips to gently and effectively pass through a variety of dog coats. The versatile dog brush is easy to clean and made with a lightweight yet durable beechwood. The 8.5-inch brush has a long handle and 3 options for pin sizes to guide your selection. 20mm is recommended for short coats, 27mm for medium to long coats, and 35mm for long thick full coats. Our Pomeranian tester, who doesn't love being groomed but tolerates it in small doses, was unbothered by the use of both the 20mm and the 27mm, remaining calm as the pin passed through the fur on her body and arms with the help of a detangling spray. This is a well-made brush that is designed to last for a long time and is suitable for a wide range of dogs in all shapes and sizes. You may find that you also want to use a slicker and/or a comb in addition to this brush to pick up strands that have been shed, slicker, or to tackle mats in fur more directly, comb, but it also helps with the aforementioned issues. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ruffus Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. If you are looking for a moderately priced option, the Ruffus Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush is an effective brush that's suitable for most coat types. We tested this slicker brush on a black Labrador and a Border Collie mix and were satisfied with the results on both dogs' coats. The handle molds to the shape of your hand, making it easy to maneuver. The plastic bristles are not as durable as other brushes we tested, but they hold up well and have rounded tips at the ends so they won't scratch your dog's skin. For clearing out the loose fur that it collects from your dog, this brush features a convenient self-cleaning mechanism that retracts the bristles with the simple push of a button. It also comes with dog nail clippers, which you may find useful, but we recommend you check out our latest roundup of the best nail clippers for dogs. The story includes tips and recommendations on how to safely trim your dog's nails at home. At number 3, we have the Groomer's Best Combo Dog Brush. The Groomer's Best Combo Dog Brush is effective, versatile, and suitable for a variety of dog coats. One side has stainless steel pins that can help untangle knots and collect loose hair, particularly for dogs with long, curly, or wiry fur. On the flip side, the brush head has soft nylon bristles for fluffing and for short coats. The bristles also help spread your dog's natural oils throughout the coat for shiny, soft hair. The heads of the pins have rounded tips, so the brush is gentle against the skin, and the nylon bristles are very soft so most dogs don't seem to notice when they are being groomed with that side. We tested the Groomer's Best Combo Dog Brush on dogs with a variety of coats, including long, fine hair and long, matted hair. The brush performed exceptionally well with both. It worked best on our Border Collie test subject. One tester even noted that it worked well on her dog's thick butt hair. The brush was less effective for dogs with short hair and also isn't the right tool if you're looking to tame your dog's undercoat. The heads of the pins have rounded tips, so the brush is particularly gentle. Our testers with short-haired dogs didn't collect quite as much fur, but all dogs seem to be less bothered by this brush, particularly the soft bristled side. For humans, the brush has a soft rubber handle that makes it comfortable to hold. That's especially important if you have a big dog or one with lots of hair. Like most pin and bristle brushes, it isn't very easy to clean, but it's hardly a deal breaker for the price and versatility. The pin side is somewhat easier to clean than the bristle side, and we recommend clearing out all the hair you collect after each brushing session to prevent buildup. At number 2, we have the Christensen Big G Dog Slicker Brush. Christensen Big G Dog Slicker Brush has a rectangular head with thin curved pins that are soft to the touch, gentle as they glide over a dog's skin, but powerful when it comes to brushing out knots from a variety of dog coats, including long and double. The slicker comes in 3 sizes, each with a long handle to help keep the grip comfortable. Our participating tester, a mini Bernedoodle, has wavy to curly hair, and like many doodles, doesn't shed but can develop mats in their fur very easily when not brushed well. This slicker effectively worked through the coat to detangle, helping to prevent mats from developing. And while this brush is more expensive than other options, it may reduce the number of visits your dog does annually with a professional groomer. And finally, at number 1, we have the Furminator Medium Dog Undercoat deShedding Tool. There are lots of imitators, and our testers tried a bunch of them, but the Furminator original deShedding tool is more effective and sturdier than other deShedding tools we tested. For dogs with dense undercoats, this tool can help to collect loose hair and skin flakes before they have the chance to stick to your sofa. The stainless steel toothy edge moves through the dog's topcoat to pull any loose undercoat hair. There's a curved guard around the blade to keep it from getting too close to the skin. Absolutely worth the price, said one tester who tried both the long hair version on her Border Collie and the short hair model on her Pit Bull. It's relatively easy to clean with an ejector button that pushes hair and dandruff out of the blades. There are several versions based on your dog's size and hair type. However, some sensitive dogs really get antsy with this brush, and definitely be careful around delicate areas like legs. It's only for use in dogs with double coats because the blade can be irritating next to the skin. If your dog with an undercoat also has sensitive skin, we do not recommend using a deShedding tool, but this one is suitable for most dogs and available in 3 sizes, so you can find the one that gives you the most control. To eject the debris you've collected from your dog, a button on the handle triggers the back of the brush to spring forward, pushing all the hair and dander off the teeth.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.